bit of plowing with the TYM 654. Been out playing around with it all morning long, just trying to get a feel for this thing, trying to clean up. Got a big snowstorm coming tonight, tomorrow. So we're just in preparation, trying to get some seat time in on this thing, trying to figure it all out, what it likes to do, what gear it likes to be in, stuff like that. So we're working on that. And this blade is a little bit deceiving on where it likes to be, so let's back up a little bit here. See what's going on here, because it's dragging the arms and I don't like that. Luckily we'll learn all this stuff in the snow where there's not too much to worry about grinding stuff up or doing anything crazy like that. I can't see the bucket indicator, the arm indicator, level indicator, whatever you want to call it. I think it could be somewhere around there. Just keeping an eye on this to see what's going on down there at that link. And the steering is greatly reduced. I'm in float mode right now with this blade. And I'm not beating it or nothing, I'm going easy. But I'll tell you, it certainly does reduce the amount of steering. So, like I said, it's just all a matter of what we're doing and where we're going. So, I'll pull up a little bit to get this pile done. Some snow moves back. One thing I notice about this tractor is you gotta make sure you're positively in gear on the shuttle, or she'll growl at you. So, and then if it's going into reverse and I don't get it, I just go back into forward and go into reverse again. That resets the synchros, because it is a synchronized power shuttle, synchronized manual shuttle, not power. This model did come with power, but this particular tractor was basically on a deal because it was sitting on the dealer's lot. It very much suited for agriculture and a lot less for driveway jockeys, so which I'm trying not to be. So bear with me, I'm filming with one hand, driving with the other, a little bit of distraction. Doing a good job though. I give myself E for effort. It's coming up nice. I think the big difference between here and Ontario, wow, does the ground freeze solid here? It's like concrete. No issues with digging up any dirt, that's for sure. Maybe skinning off some grass. There wasn't much grass to deal with anyway here. Grass was just pitiful. I don't even know if you want to call it grass. So I had to try to knock a hole to the quads, knock a hole to the sheds. I got that done. I got beside the house cleared. Now that was very slow. And I think what I'm going to do is I got the wood pile opened up, though you can't tell it's a wood pile, it's buried under snow. Get nice clearance of the driveway. There's Mrs. Suburban Farmer. We got to change the name of the channel, guys. What do you think? We're not suburban anymore. It's kind of a, it's kind of fake. We're about as rural as you can get. We're up here on a mountain. Park this thing here for now. Set Got the parking brake. Parking brake is set. You're supposed to let it set idle for a few minutes, cool the turbocharger down. I like this roof hatch. Let some of the heat out. It gets hot in here. I'm wearing this big parka. And yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what to say. The flavor of the show certainly, or the channel is going to change a bit. We're not as polished as the other guys. We raw dog a lot. I don't know if you guys like that or not, or if you like the glitz and the glam and all that other hoopla. But I just figured, you know, let's keep it real. But I mean, I like to do some different things. I definitely want to get the improvement a little bit on the video quality, because I know it gets rough. But I don't want to do a lot of TV show kind of thing. I like to keep this raw, keep it real. Don't like the script stuff. I mean, I got an idea what we're going to talk about. So, you know, we can change things up a little bit. But anyway, that's where we are today. Did some plowing, did some blowing with it. I'm getting better with the blower. I figured out low one and 2000 and what is it, 2200 RPMs gives us good PTO speed. Keeps it at around the 540 mark, and then I can just leave the PTO in manual instead of auto. And then when I clutch it, it doesn't shut the PTO off, and because you're just clutching it to stop your progression into the pile. Yeah, so you know, clutching it at 2250 is kind of janky, but we'll see. I don't know what else to do. It's not a shuttle, so is it super set up for snow blowing? Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe a shuttle would be better for snow blowing, or a hydrostatic transmission, but this is not the predominant. So this thing's going to snow blow. The blower will actually run less than an hour every time it snows. So what are we going to put on it? 8 hours a year. So I don't know. The rest of the stuff's going to end up being hard work that a tractor's supposed to do. So that's my thought on it anyway. So there you are, Jake. Got some work done. He was asking about a plowing video, so there you are. I'm not set up to make a 20-minute video just watching this thing move around the yard, but you know, who knows, maybe soon. But there you are. So I'm gonna help Mrs. out bring in some firewood, because we're getting ready for the storm. So there you are. Thanks, friends, for joining in again. It's a little quick video, watching the thing move around a little bit. I'm liking it so far. A couple of small little quirks, like the shuttle shift. You got to make sure you're positively engaged, so no big deal. Yeah, and then other than that, it's just figuring out where it likes to be for speeds. 4 low is good for plowing. I think it moves the snow well, gives me enough power, and you know, we'll go from there. Got the yard looking pretty good, and we're ready for the storm. We're supposed to get 15 centimeters, or 20, depending on who you're listening to. So we'll see. The last time we ended up with near 2 feet, so, or not 2 feet, sorry, a foot and a half, maybe 18 inches, somewhere in there. And yeah, I got janky pretty quick. So okay, that's good. Great for this family day in Canada. How about that? It's something or other in the United States, but it's family day here in Canada. New Brunswick is a stat day off, so everybody's happy about that. And I hope you have a good family day. Spend some time with your family. I'm going to get back and spend some time with my wife moving firewood. So we'll see you real soon. Take care. God bless. Hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell for content, and thank you for joining in and seeing what this program's looking like. It's starting to take shape, friends. I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to be a good time. We'll get set up for wood cutting. We'll do some wood cutting demonstration. I mean, I'm no expert at it, but I've been cutting enough now and kind of figured that out. And wood splitting, got that figured out. So there you go. Anyway, peace, love, goodbye. Happy family day, or is it President's Day in the United States? Whatever you guys get down there. And the rest of the world, cheers, love, peace out. See you soon. Bye-bye.